Hello and welcome to Gaslands Diecast Racing. Today we got Scarlet Thunda versus Dv8. Now, before we get to the races, let's take a look at the track. They will start off here down the suicide. It's a almost 45-degree slope into a long 2-lane straightaway into the first bend here around the Gaslands TV camera. They will go through gate number 1. There are 4 gates, including the finish line. Every time they pass a gate, they're gonna get a gate point. And they're gonna come down here around bend number 2, around the Gaslands TV silos, where we got a few spectators here, hoping to catch an accident and they could shoot at. We are not responsible for what the fans or spectators do. Then they will come here, gate number 2, which is the construction site. Our helicopter crashed there, destroyed the road. We didn't have time to fix it. But if the drivers are lucky enough to go through that, they're gonna go around here, bend number 3, where we got the Ember Prime monster truck there, through gate number 3, down another really steep slope, giving them the speed they need to go around the bend here into our canyon, and another 2-lane finish line here at the end, going downhill, getting enough momentum, which they will need because there is a jump at the finish line here. We got the Gaslands TV crew waiting to capture all of the beautiful finishes. If the cars are lucky enough to not get hit by these cars here with these drills, and they are lucky enough to go into the pipe, this is our pipe dream here, they will get a ticket to Mars. And well, a ticket to Mars gets you off this crappy rock. They could give it to a fan, a friend, a family, or take it themselves. Either way, I am gonna come down here, go into my bunker of safety, and try to commentate on the race from there. Let's take a look at the drivers we got. Alreina from USA, she's driving the Scarlet Thunda. She likes spelunking, geology, rock formations, and she dislikes the snow, flying, and heights. Ooh, that suicide's gonna be hard for her. Next up, we got Tobias Boone from Neo-Confederate States. He's driving the Dv8. He likes speed and root beer, and he dislikes old blue-haired drivers. So we got 2 Zacks racing today. Now they're on the dyno here, doing some test runs, checking out their speeds, and they're ready to go in the elevator up to the suicide for race number 1. This is exciting. Let's see who takes the first win. And they're off. Scarlet in front, Dv8 lagging. Oh no, Scarlet had a little accident. Ember Prime shoots, gives it a little bit of damage. Oh man, Dv8's over here, and Spectator takes advantage, takes some shots. But we're gonna go into race number 2 here. Thank God these cars are bulletproof, or almost bulletproof. Scarlet takes the lead again. Dv8 nowhere to be seen. Oh, she almost got the top ticket to Mars, but didn't quite make it. Dv8 was left on the track somewhere. They're gonna do another race here. Dv8 needs to pick it up. Something's not happening with that car. Scarlet keeps coming down, and she does this time make it to the second floor. Oh, actually Dv8 is actually slowly but surely makes it to the finish line. Let's take a look at the replay here of Scarlet. She did a really nice jump straight into the pipe. I mean, we can't make this up, ladies and gentlemen. Those cars, they do what they want, and sometimes they make it through those pipes. Let's do another race here. Scarlet again. Dv8 really wants a revenge. He wants to win at least one race, but oh, Scarlet didn't even make it to the finish line here. Not sure if they're okay. I think they're gonna call it. Ooh, our helicopter's feeling the heat on that one. Dv8 made it up from the construction site, but it's eating the missiles of the helicopter. Yeah, I think it's time for time trials. Scarlet is going to hold back, do a little repairs, while Dv8 will try to at least get to the finish line. Oh, right off the bat, he does not make it. He cannot make it past the first bend. Again, he is trying hard. We've given him lots of attempts here. He fell straight into some abyss that we don't know about. He cannot make it over the construction site. He doesn't even make it to gate 2 sometimes. We've tried so many times, and yeah. Come on, Dv8, just one. Give us one time we could put on the Google Sheets. Is this the one? It is. Yes, 6.8. It's a bad time, but it's a time. And I think he's calling it after all those runs. He is done. Hopefully he'll do better against someone else in future races. But for now, let's see how Scarlet does on her own. And she is flying through the track. Our helicopter camera can't even focus. She is so fast. 4.83. That is insane. And it's important to note here, both cars weigh exactly the same. They are both 30 grams. Oh, she didn't make the construction site there. It happens sometimes to the best drivers. Let's do another run here, trying to beat her time of 4.83. And she does, 4.80. While destroying our Gaslands TV sign, but it's okay, we've got more. Let's do another one here. This is probably going to be the last run for her, and she is at 5 on this one, and I think she's calling it. Yep, the helicopter says nope, you're done, no more racing for you. Now let's take a look at the stats here. We got Scarlet. She weighs 30 grams. Her best time was 4.80. She has 27 gate points. She won 2 of the races and a Mars ticket. Now let's take a Tobias Boone stats here. He weighs 30 grams as well. His best time was 6.8. Only 20 gate points. He didn't win any of the races. He didn't win a ticket to Mars. It was just a bad day for him. But hopefully next time he'll do better. Now all the cars were sent in by our Gaslands fans. Thank you for sending in your cars. Really appreciate it, and super fun and exciting races to come. So make sure to subscribe. We're trying to hit the 2,000 goal here. And if you're playing Gaslands and you're looking for things to play with like dice or gates, templates, maybe some engines with skulls on them, pipes, rams, guns that you could attach to your car and stuff like that, they come in a container like this, Gaslands TV container. And you could use those to transport your car. We also got flame effects and flamethrowers. These are all on our Etsy page, so go check it out. It helps out the channel. And we have a Facebook page, so go join us there for monthly prizes. Make sure to go check out the other races if you haven't. They're really fun. And I have some hobby and painting stuff also on my channel. So thanks a lot for the support, and I'll see you next time.